x, we have seen that x squared minus 1 over x minus 2 is the same thing as x plus 2. So x plus 2, which is the same thing as 2 plus 2, which will give you 4. So now you are saying the limit as x tends to 2 of this function approaches 4, not meaningful, but approaches 4. So this is to explain the definition of the limit, and this will lead us to one-sided limit, or left and right limit. This will lead us to left and right limit, and yes, left and right limit. The limit of f of x, limit as x tends to a from the left, you put minus here to indicate it's from the left. If it's from the right, you put positive. Limit as x tends to a from the left, f of x equals to a. What does this mean? This means that f of x approaches a as x approaches a from the left, or this is defined in some interval AC is defined from some interval AC. Yes, this is defined in that interval AC. And similarly again, limit as x tends to a from the positive, f of x is equals to a. It's telling you that f of x approaches a as x approaches small letter a from the right. Yes, from the right. And for a limit to exist, the limit from the left and the limit from the right must be equal. If they are the same, then you conclude the limit as x tends to a, f of x equals to a, limit of x tends to a of f of x equals to a, if and only if limit of x tends to a from the negative f of x is equal to limit as x tends to a from the positive of f of x and is equals to a, then this holds. If the limit from f of x as x tends to a from the negative of f of x is not equals to the limit of x tends to a from the right of that function, if the two limits are not the same, then you cannot conclude that the limit of as x tends to a of f of x is equals to a. They have to be all equals to a before you conclude. Yes, and I think we will see an example of that also. If f of x equals to c squared of 9 minus x squared with a domain minus 3 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 3. If you have this, excuse me, f of x equals to square root of 9 minus x squared with that domain, you can see minus 3, 0 defined. 3, 0, define. Outside this, not defined. So, limit as x tends to 3 from, from the negative of this 9 minus x squared is equals to what?